This is Cagney.
So cute.
Cagney and her sister Lacey over there are at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. And Cagney is getting some loving attention from a girl right now. Yes, you saw this girl come over and you said, "Oh, I will get right up and see you." Aren't they cute? They're about a year old. And they're little kitties, aren't they? You all done? Thank you. Thank you for your help. So Cagney. Cagney's the one with the brown on. And Lacey's over there. Just sweethearts. They've been together all their lives. I think they're sisters. All 1 year, huh? And they are to find a home together. That way it's going to be best, right? Both going to be happier that way. And so will your new parents. Because you'll have each other to keep each other company. Yeah. They're the sweethearts. Yeah. Bye-bye.